Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. In a previous video, I unboxed the Texenergy Infinite Air 5T. This is a portable off-grid wind turbine that you can use to charge your power bank and devices while you're outdoors. If you missed it, do check out the link in the card above or the description below. The device comes in a hard clamshell case, and I wanted to find a way to repack it into a kit bag that will make it easier to integrate with my pack system for hikes and camps. And I think I found the right kit bag. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so by hitting the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. It will really help the channel out. Thanks. This is the bag that I'll use to repack the Infinite Air 5T. It is made of nylon and is very durable. The original intended design is a water bottle pouch, but I actually use it to hold my bushcraft cook kit, and you might have seen that in a previous video. However, it can also be repurposed to hold all the parts of the Infinite Air 5T. What makes this packing system great is that it takes up a smaller footprint than this particular case. And the kit can be carried in two ways. First, using the MOLLE attachments, they can be strapped to the bottom of my pack, like how a bedroll might be strapped to the bottom of a backpack. So it can hang securely under the pack but not take up space in the main compartments of my pouch. Alternatively, you can also attach a tactical sling to the pouch using these connectors over here, just like this. And now I can cross-sling this across my body and carry it, just like any piece of equipment that you might sling around your body. This allows you to easily set up the wind turbine without having to unstrap the pouch from your pack. And if you go camping in a group, it allows you to hand off the wind turbine to someone else to carry or to set up. So this is a pretty convenient system as well. Alright, let's see how everything is going to fit inside this pouch. So here are all the parts for the portable wind turbine. As you can see, the case was actually made specifically to hold the parts with the foam cutouts. But it doesn't really pack it in terms of space efficiency, which is why I want it to be packed in this kit over here. Now the great thing about this pack is there are two compartments, the main compartment and a front pouch as well. And I think it just fits the parts pretty well. So I'm going to take the biggest part here, which is the main wind turbine motor. And I'm going to put that inside. And I do think if I actually go out to hike, I might have to add a bit of sponge or foam padding at the bottom, or maybe wrap this around just to protect it a bit more. But just for the sake of this video, we'll demonstrate how everything goes in. So generally when you pack something, always put the biggest items in first. So next I'm going to put this. These are the tripod legs. So that's going to fit in, and I don't want it to rest on the head of the motor, so I'm going to just make sure that that's really to the bottom. Then we have the blades of the turbine. Probably get new plastic bags for this, or maybe put them all in a Ziploc bag, and that goes in over here. Alright, so as you can see, there's still lots of space to go. Now let's see what we have over here that might fit in. Got some cables. This can go to the front. We have the tail fin, also another big piece, although it's really thin, so that can easily be stuffed in as well. Let's see how that fits in. Yep, that's pretty good. And we have 3 of these tent pegs, and this is used in conjunction with the guidelines to hold the wind turbine down if it's not secure, so that can fit in there as well. I think that's enough. Let's see what we have. We have the guidelines, so all these smaller items can fit in the front pouch. So let's zip up the main compartment here first, and then we'll take the ratchet strap, which is used to hold all the tripod legs together. And the great thing about this particular pouch is also got elastic bands inside, so you could actually put that inside and hold it in place. That works out pretty well, so that doesn't unravel inside. This can just go in as well. Guidelines go in, and finally we have the flange for the tripod and the wind turbine itself that can go inside. And as you can see, lots of space left, but everything that fit in here is now in here, and there's still space. I guess if there's anything else to pack, whether it's maybe power banks, could fit inside depending on the size, but lots of space. You can put more sponge or maybe a towel for padding, and this now can strap to my pack, or as mentioned earlier, you can use the sling. That's it, a compact kit bag for camping for the Infinite Air 5T. I hope this helps you if you own the wind turbine. Let me know if you have any other ideas for packing this efficiently. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.